On the inventory page, to be able to make QR codes for your Kanban items, let me show you how I would go about doing that. So I'm going to go to this KMAR 418-10-P2 leg, open that up, and you can see here there's a placeholder to add the QR code here. And so first we need to create that QR code, and to create that QR code we want to click on these three dots here and copy this link right here, kind of in the middle, and then we'll go to the QRCode Monkey website. These QR codes are free. You can make as many as you want, and so you just simply enter your URL here. The only thing you really need to look at if you just want simple QR codes is to make sure that you are on the URL tab. You have a lot of other options here to create QR codes, and if you wanted to change the color or add your logo or any of that, you could do that. But once you get that QR code in there, if you're satisfied with just a simple QR code, just say create QR code and then download PNG file. And then you see here that this QR code is waiting to be saved somewhere. It really doesn't matter where you put it because you're going to use it for a few minutes. Take it to your desktop. If you want to save them to be able to reuse, you probably want to do something like KMAR 418 leg, something like that. Give it a name that would help you to get back to it. But again, I just make them, put them in there, and then I'm done with it. So that QR code is now made, and I can come back to this leg, click here, upload file, and there's our QR code. We say okay, QR code is there, and then you can get rid of this text that's just telling you to do that. It doesn't need to be there. And just remember that any QR codes that are in here, there's only one initially, now this is a second one. These need to be deleted and replaced because these QR codes are coming to my seed copy of this software. So don't leave these in, make sure you replace them with your own. So you go to the three dots, get your own code, delete this, and put a new QR code here. But that's all there is to adding QR codes to your Kanban pages using QRCode Monkey.